Sales training applied consistently delivers results. However, most organizations never see a return on their training investment. Why? There are a few reasons, but the research is clear on the most important one. Sales training fails because of a lack of follow-up. Here's a scenario you may have experienced. You schedule a sales seminar for your people. The training company you've chosen has got a good reputation, and everyone's excited to learn new skills. The event should generate the momentum to meet your sales targets, and the class is regaled with all sorts of stories, insights, and techniques to improve their sales performance. At the end of the day, your salespeople head back to the world all fired up like they came out of a Tony Robbins seminar. They're ready to hit the road, meet buyers, and never take no for an answer again. Over the next few weeks, you even see a spike in sales. But then, something happens. A few weeks pass and you notice that your people have lost that pumped up feeling. Sales are flat, enthusiasm has waned, and your people are back to their old comfortable habits. The seminar seems like a bad idea when you add up all the costs and the time away from work. Xerox determined that 87% of new skills learned were forgotten within a month when salespeople were not coached following training. And that's exactly what the piano teacher told my mother when she took me in for lessons as a child. When she asked whether we had a piano, Mom said no. The teacher told her to save her money. She told her that if she couldn't follow up at home with me, there was no point in even starting. And that's where I come in. I train salespeople in class and then I join them in field where we engage prospects and customers together. Sales training that is delivered with excellence and followed up will produce a tenfold return. It remains the best or the worst corporate investment going.